Hello, Leos. This is your monthly reading for April 2020. This is for Sun, Moon, Venus, and Rising in Leo. Just to note that this reading may not resonate with everyone, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Don't try to make it fit. This is different than my weekly love reading. I'm drawing 4 cards from my Everyday Witch Tarot deck, and then 1 card equals each week, so it's 1 card per week, and then I'm going to pull 2 cards from this to clarify each card. So we'll go in depth a little bit for each week, and then I'm going to pull 2 cards from the universe, and then 2 crystal oracles. All right, so okay, so what we have for week 1, we have the Ace of Swords. Week 2, 4 of Pentacles. Week 3, the Fool. And week 4, the Chariot. So it looks like you have a progression here with the Ace of Swords is something new. It's possible that you've come to a new realization about something, or you've gotten some new information about something that helps you come to a realization about something. Week 2 with the 4 of Pentacles, it's possible that you're having some money issues, or that you're sitting on an issue too long, like you're just holding on to something and you're not making moves on it, you're not budging. Week 3, we have the Fool, which is a really great card. It's the first card in the Major Arcana, and it's all about taking a leap of faith. And then week 4, we have the Chariot, and you can see that the Chariot is all about making decisions. You may be faced with a choice, or you may be working on making a choice. Could have something to do with, you kind of sitting on something. Maybe there's a choice that you need to make. So let's start with week 1. The Ace of Swords, and I'm going to clarify that with 2 cards from my Native American deck. Okay, so what I have here is the 4 of Cups and the Knight of Pentacles, sorry. So interestingly enough, we have a 4 of Pentacles here, which I showed you, and now we have a 4 of Cups. So it looks like there may be a general theme here of stagnation, or not feeling a certain amount of stability in your life at the moment, and that it's taking some time. But the nice thing is, 1 second, my phone just popped something up there. With the Ace of Swords, there's something new happening, okay? You've come to the realization that there's something possibly that you're not happy with, that you need to work on, but you're realizing that it's taking more time than you wanted it to. Also, just something that I always note, my Native American deck also has words on it, so I do need to point out that this one points out to pregnancy. So with the Ace of Swords, it could be some new information in regards to a pregnancy. Take that as it resonates. But really what I'm seeing more here is that you are coming to the realization that maybe there's something that you're not really too thrilled with in your life, and it has to do with your stability, and taking action on it. You may realize that it's not going to be a quick fix. So the next card we have for the second week of April is the Four of Pentacles. And that was the energy of stagnation there. Maybe sitting on something, maybe not making a choice, or maybe feeling like you don't have enough money, or having or even a problem with overspending the money that you have. Okay. Whoop. Okay, we got two cards. They popped right out here. Okay, so these are nice cards to go with the Four of Pentacles here. So we've got the Nine of Cups, which is the wish card. So there's some wish fulfillment here that you know, something that you really want. And this card is sort of like a good omen for that. It's said that when the wish card shows up in a reading, you know, whatever it is that's on your mind that you're thinking about in regards to the reading, that your wish is going to come true. And then we've got the Judgment card. So this is just saying that, you know, you whatever it is that's not making you happy, whatever it is that you are thinking about, like, the Judgment card to me is all about divine timing. It's about the universe, you know, sort of putting something in place when the time is right for you, and the universe knows when that is. And this is saying that, you know, whatever this is, it's your wish fulfillment, and you can take steps towards that. That's why you have your Ace of Swords. That's why you're having all of this energy coming from these top cards here. You've got the Fool, you've got the Chariot, so there's choice making. But the fact that we've got these major arcana cards shows that there is sort of a pivotal moment happening in your life right now. So, but I really think, you know, the only card I was concerned with on the top four of the spread was the Four of Pentacles, because sometimes that talks about like stagnation and things not moving forward. And it's possible that things aren't moving forward, but that would be your choice, because we've got the Chariot over here. But having this here going into the Fool for week 3, that's saying that whatever this wish fulfillment is that you're holding yourself back on, like, you can take a leap of faith with that. I'm going to pull 2 cards. Yeah, this is all about choices. We've got the Two of Swords, which is the stalemate card, which is something that you just can't seem to come to a choice. You're doing a lot of thinking about it. And then we've got the Lovers card that popped up. So this is something to do with love. This is definitely a love choice. You don't know what to do about your love situation, okay? But the cards are telling you to take a leap of faith in whatever way that resonates for you. And yeah, so the Lovers card, so now you've got 4 major arcana cards on the board. So the Chariot, we've got the Queen of Swords here to go with the Chariot. And then let me pull one more card. And when you get the Queen of Swords with the Chariot, that's about using logical thinking to make choices. It's possible that you're a very logical thinker. And then we've got the Ten of Wands here. So this is what I'm saying. This is a tough, difficult choice for you. This is a very hard choice. You're really... you're really trying to logically think about what it is, the choice that you have to make, because it is a big deal. I mean, when it comes to love, it is a big deal, right? So let me pull 2 messages from the universe and then 2 crystal oracles. Okay, and then it popped 2 of them out. Okay. So the first one is, I choose to learn through love. Okay. I choose to learn through love. And the second one is, my capacity to tune into the energy of love gives me the words I need when I'm ready to speak up, the compassion I need when it's time to forgive, and the power I need when I am lost. So this is just tuning into your love theme here, and just saying that, you know, when you put a positive focus on love, you will begin to learn through love what it is that you're seeking. especially with this being about love. So it's possible you need to spend some more time thinking about what love means to you and how you want love to look in your future. So let's see, 2 crystal oracle cards. Solutions. Okay, solutions is your first card, and that's definitely in tune with this reading. You are working on trying to figure out a love situation. I mean, I see wish fulfillment. I see, the Fool. That's the Ace of Swords. These are all new things. This is all about something new coming into your life. And courage, okay? Courage. And that goes along with the Fool card here. Having the courage to take a leap of faith, to really think about what it is that you want to do and how you want to move forward, instead of just sitting there and thinking and being stagnant and not making any moves. At some point, you will have to realize that sitting in it and not making any moves isn't going to change the situation. You're just going to be feeling the same things and going through the same cycles over and over again. So Leos, I hope this helped. Have a great day.